Here's the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro laptop, and somehow the keyboard backlight turned off and I can barely see which key is which. So to turn it back on, press the function key and the spacebar. So Fn and the long one. Function and spacebar. And we have one sort of lighting pattern. Function spacebar once again. Another type of lighting. This is fixed, I guess. Function spacebar. This one is slightly changing slowly. The colors are being varied. Okay, function spacebar again, and voila, it's off again. So function spacebar, and use which one you like. This is way too changing. That one is not changing at all. So it might get a burn-in problem, like the displays. OLED monitors, function spacebar again, and use this one, which is changing but very slowly.